Hello everyone, what's up? This is your boy Crystal, and today I'm going to test my DJI MINI 4 Pro to a range test. Right now the temperature for me is around 16 degrees Celsius and the time is around 18:10 for me. So I'm going to check and test how long I can fly my drone using this battery. And yes, so let's see how long I can fly this drone. So right now the altitude is around 10 meters, like I think 30 feet. So I'm gonna fly straight, and the temperature is around 16 degrees Celsius, and even the wind speed is also pretty good. There's no much power wind right now, like too much speed. I think around like 2-3 kilometers per hour speed. So it's going. Let's see. I'm gonna test the obstacle avoidance sensors. Everything is perfect. Now it's in brake mode. All right. Let's see. Battery information. Oh, pretty good. I'm gonna climb the drone for around 60 meters. Let's check out the vision sensors. Pretty good. Nice. The speed is around average of 12 meters per second. Right now it's around like 45 kilometers, I think, and it's running on the normal mode. Nice, we hit 1.3 kilometers right now. I'm gonna climb up to 75 meters. Pretty good. Nice. We got 24 satellites. The positioning signals were pretty good. So I'm gonna turn the drone a little bit left to get the perfect signal and signal transmission between the remote controller and the drone. Nice. Signal is moderately good. And we got 81% battery left. Nice, we hit 2 kilometers, 2,000 meters. I think it's around 6,000 feet in American units. I'm gonna climb up to 100 meters. Let's see. Nice, pretty good. I'm actually very happy and so impressed about the signal strength and the performance of this little drone. Like, this is like less than 250 grams and running pretty great, even in a so busy area. Like now I'm living in a little city of Tuscany in Italy right now, but I'm actually impressed like with the performance of this drone. Even I'm in a super area with some
max altitude reached.
With some extreme interferences, signals. There are like satellite signals and radio signals and everything. So the signal was pretty good. Like I almost hit 2,750 meters also. It's actually pretty amazing, not gonna lie. Eight minutes until auto return home. Now it's 7 minutes. Seems like we got some little bit of wind right now. Yes, we hit 3 kilometers. Here we go, the vision sensors. Image transmission signal may be blocked. Position remote controller to face aircraft. Just let me position. Wait. Compass. We lose the connection to the aircraft right now. I hope this will establish again. Let's see. It's returning to home.
Altitude reached.
Aircraft not connected to RC yet.
Max altitude reached.
Nice, we got the connection again. I forgot to enhance the auto return to home altitude. Let's see. I'm gonna cancel it again. Give me a second. I'm gonna enhance it. Nice, and I'm gonna get back to work again. So now we are at 3 kilometers, and I don't know. The signal is pretty bad right now. What is the reason for this? Nice. I'm trying my best to get the connection again, but there's like few errors right now. No, it's not possible because there's like lots of interference between the drone and me. Okay, now we are at 3,350 meters. But it seems like it's not possible, so I'm gonna return to home again. So I'm waiting until the drone gets the connection back again for my remote controller. I'm actually using the DJI RC2 remote controller for my DJI MINI 4 Pro, and I think I almost flew around 220 kilometers.
Max altitude reached.
The remote controller. Okay, I will let the drone to come back again automatically. Until the drone arrives, I'm gonna check out the settings for my drone. Transmission, no, camera, controller, safety. Yes, safety was in the brake mode, not the bypass. And advance, nice, 720. Wait, what? Oh, nice. I thought I wasn't able to unlock this yet, but wow. Okay, it's fine. 250 meters. Everything okay. So the drone is on its way, and the speed is around 8 meters per second. It's I think around 25 kilometers per hour. So before you fly. So how much battery left? Let me check. Oh, we got 60% left still, bro. It's pretty impressive, isn't it? Like 5 years ago, like 10 years ago, you had to hire a helicopter to record a film and stuff. Like now, it's for around 1,500 euros. You got like one of the best cameras. Nice. So it's 2,300 meters right now. I'm gonna cancel the return to home function, and I get the control of my drone right now. Alright. I'm actually using an ND64 filter for my camera. It's actually pretty good. Look at this. Look at here. Yes, it's pretty good, isn't it? So Just give me a second. Let's flight altitude 250 meters. I'm gonna fly further because to check how long I can use this drone. Like I almost flew 3.5 kilometers, I don't know, maybe 4 kilometers. I have to check after the drone came back to me, since I lost the connection between drone and me. I'm pretty sure that I can use this drone for more than 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers in strength of the signal connection, because I'm actually living in a so interfered environment. Like there are houses, buildings, industries and everything, like vehicles, satellite communicators and everything around me. So I'm pretty impressed with the connection. It's actually amazing. Like I was able to fly almost 4 kilometers. Like it's amazing, really. I'm not even testing the signal strength between my drone and remote control. I'm actually testing how long I can fly my drone. Look, this is the place. I'm gonna decrease the altitude for around 75 meters to save more battery. Nice. Still 45% battery left, so I'm gonna fly further. I'm very impressed about the technology. Like DJI always makes us happy, not gonna lie, like with some amazing stuff, you know. I'm gonna decrease the altitude for around 50 meters to save the battery more. So, you know, even the wind speed is also pretty good. Let me check. Siri, what's the weather outside?
It's currently cloudy and 17 degrees.
Okay. 17 degrees Celsius. I'm actually wanna find what's the wind speed. Siri, what's the wind speed right now?
The wind's blowing at 8 kilometers per hour northeast right now.
Wow. This is the place where I updated my home point. Nice, I came to almost 0 meters, and I'm gonna change the direction again because I left 35% battery still. So I'm gonna fly my drone for here, this direction, for the east. Let me switch for vision sensor, and I'm gonna climb up to 50 meters. Nice. It's 60 meters. This is the left vision sensor, back, right, and the front. So I completed almost 7 kilometers of journey using my drone, and it's still flying. Pretty good plantation, not gonna lie. Look at the sky. I'm gonna climb up to around 100 meters to avoid some terrain, you know. Nice. Let me adjust the radio controller. Okay. I'm gonna climb more to enhance the signal.
Battery level is low.
Oh.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Alright, okay.
Max altitude reached.
Nice.
Return to home.
It flew 1 kilometer more, so it's gonna come back another kilometer for me. Wow. 7 minutes remaining. I'm actually pretty happy, you know. It's amazing, not gonna lie. So guys, thank you for watching, and I think I flew for around 10 kilometers using this battery. The total journey was around 10 kilometers, almost 10 kilometers, and I'm actually happy about that. It's actually amazing, even at an average of 8 kilometers per hour wind. So I will show you the flight route after it landed, okay? It's on its way. Let's wait until it's landing to the home point. And we got still left 21% battery on the drone. Wow, very amazing DJI. Actually amazing. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I actually flew 9,700, almost 9,700 meters today, and it's actually pretty impressive even in a residential area and with around 10 kilometers per hour wind speed, and everything was pretty great. So I hope to make more videos, and thank you, and I hope you support for my YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok and everything. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay tuned, more videos coming soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.